Hey everyone, Gilder, Gray Man Prepping. Well, before I get on the gazelle, I'm going to give you some information as usual, and there's going to be a lot more at the end of the video, so you want to make sure you watch all the way to the end. I'm trying to keep these down to around between 10 and 8 minutes. That way it's supposed to be in Google's parameters for best things for putting out there. So sometimes when I do a long stint on the gazelle, I really, I used to do 500 times speed up on it, and 500% speed up on it, and then I do it again. I run that through the processor, and then I do again another 300 to 500 times speed up on it. So that's why sometimes you see, like on some, I'll put like warp 3 for the bench. That's 3 times 300% speed up on it. And then I do like warp 12 or warp 15 on it for the gazelle. That means I've done the one and I'm doing it again. All right, so I'm going to get on it here. If you have any comments and stuff, please go ahead and put the comments in there. Just realize I'm up here in Idaho where there's snow on the ground, and this is during the wintertime. This is the best way to get exercise and get fit. Make sure it doesn't come on and start putting out strikeable material. I was just finished watching Kate and Leopold, and if you haven't seen it, it's a great romantic movie starring Hugh Jackman as a much younger Hugh Jackman. All right, so On the weight bench, I don't, not doubled, I did 50% more of each repetition. So instead of doing 20 reps, I was doing 30 reps on some of them, and some of the others I was doing 40 reps. So I really kicked it up on that. I doubled the, no, I didn't, did I double? I can't remember if I doubled or 50, or did, half again as much on the sit-ups. I think I may have doubled. I think I may have done 20 sit-ups, and I usually do 10. So I am definitely building up muscle again and building up endurance. Yeah. And so on the Gazelle, I did 40 minutes, actually 42 minutes, and did 305 calories on that. So your prep for today. As if you listen to my stuff, when I'm talking about preparedness and stuff, I kind of downplay most of the time what a lot of other prepper groups upplay about firearms. Hopefully I don't get dinged on that. But what I'm going to be talking about now is not defensive ones, but for ones for gathering food for your table. So if you don't have any, you might want to look into it, see what's out there and stuff. You can leave questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer as far as what my preferences are. I'm not the ultimate expert on it. I know what I like. I've researched what I like. I've practiced with what I like, and I discarded what I don't like. The other thing is, along with that, is the freedom seeds, the hole punchers part of it. Make sure you have a well enough supply on hand to get you through a couple of years of having to go out and harvest your own food. All right. Whew. Okay, so with that, reminder is tonight is the midnight ride with Gray Man Prepping at 11:55 Eastern is when the countdown starts, so it actually kicks off at midnight tonight. And it's open chat, and we may get into a little bit of this tonight. So with that, stay happy. Don't let life get you down. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill. Do an indoor garden. And if you haven't done it already, get your seeds for your spring and summer garden, okay? Because this winter, you need to really prep up for it, and I think it's going to extend into the spring where you need to be really prepped up for.